Have you ever wondered how a spoonful of washing powder can make your dirty clothes look fresh and clean again? Well, here's the amazing science behind it. Most of the stains and dirt on our clothes are oily or greasy. And as we know, oil and water just don't mix. So even if you rinse your clothes with plain water, the oily stains stay stuck. Here's where detergent comes to the rescue. Washing powder or liquid detergent contains special molecules called surfactants. These tiny heroes have two sides. One side loves water, we call it hydrophilic. The other side loves oil and dirt, that's the hydrophobic part. When you mix detergent